Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 144 GB mockup pack with different categories, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Here 3 type plan: 30 days, 90 days and lifetime membership. Okay, just one time payment for lifetime access. All files are editable and all files are Photoshop. I know you know how to customize in Photoshop. You see here packing mockup and here glossy pouch. Total PSD 316. Boxing gloves and here body lotion. A4 B-fold mockup. Landscape main file. Landscape magazine mockup. Same thing here, but here design are different. Large screen. I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.